This video demonstrates the TESS School Audit reports. These reports are a special component in TESS used by many private schools which must report their enrollment and attendance to the province or state and are occasionally audited. We start by going to Specials, Audit Reports, and then Setup. This is where we set the criteria used by the auditors. First, if applicable, select the grade levels that you have that are used for kindergarten and kindergarten half-day. Then select the special codes used for qualifying for ESL, special education, or native education. Then select the student code field that you are using to track student citizenship. Next, set the average number of attendance periods per day and the average number of hours per day. These numbers are used by the auditors to determine which students have been in attendance enough to qualify as full-time enrolled students. Then set the first day of school and check the option to include all attendance on the reports and click Save. There is a special setting if you need to adjust the number of attendance hours to be counted for full-time qualifiers or partial qualifiers. Press F5 and type edit user specs space audit _ hours. Make sure everything is lowercase and then click OK. Here you can set the number of hours for full-time qualifiers and partial qualifiers. In this example, I'm setting it to 600 hours for full-time qualifiers and 320 hours for partial qualifiers. Check with your auditors to make sure you use the correct settings and then click OK. Next, click the Calendar button at the top of the screen. This is where you indicate which days of the school year are used for holidays, professional development days, or any other days when the school is closed. To set a day, just click on the date and then type in the name of the holiday. You can click through the entire school year to set all the required dates. You can click Print to get a list of the holidays for the entire school year, so the auditors will know which days the school was opened and closed. Now we can go through the reports. Generally, the auditors will require you to print the Audit Summary Report for the entire school. This shows the total number of students in the school, as well as the number of partially qualifying students and full-time qualifying students. Non-qualifiers are students who have had too many unexcused absences to be counted as students for funding purposes. To print the report, choose the range of dates, click OK, the days of the week, and then choose all students and click OK, and then let's preview the report. Once you have the audit summary report, the auditors may ask for more detail by grade and sometimes for individual students. Go to Specials, Audit Reports, and choose Print Lists per grade or Print Lists per grade with page breaks. Then choose the range of dates, make the selections and choose the grades that you want to print out, and click OK. When you print this report, it will also automatically create a text file containing the same data from the report, which you can submit to the auditors by email if you wish. You can also print the Student Audit List report. Go to Specials, Audit Reports, Print Student Audit List. Select the students and click OK. And then click Preview. This report will also be automatically saved to a text file, so if you need to submit this file to the auditors, it'll be generated for you. In some cases where more details are required by the auditors, go to Specials, Audit Reports, and choose Print Detailed Student Report. choose the range of dates and the days of the week, and then make selections and choose the students that the auditors have selected. This report shows the details for each student, the total number of hours present, absent, and excused, and any details of their attendance.